Alright, hello everyone. This is Hotchat Mike 1001 here with the new Sentinel programming software for the Uniden um, digital police scanner. I'm going to show you how to make some favorites lists today, and this is video 1. Time 1:59 p.m. March 3/2/2014. So for the people in the United States, in Canada, here we go. So I'm going to program some of my local channels in here. So I'm going to go ahead, go to Database, United States. I'm going to California, and then I go down to I would be using my county, which is right here. And you find the county systems you want, right here. And then you would tell it right here at the top. This brings up it says select favorites list. Since there's not one there, just hit new and type in what you want. I'm going to call this one Riverside County, California, USA. And it saves it there. And one of the next things you need to do, see it says monitor. Right click on it, monitor favorite list on. Then you have the right click on it again and go to program favorites lists. This will come up. You set your quick key right here. You hit 1 or 0 depending on which one it's going to be. This is going to be a 0. You set your hold time to whatever you want. I'm going to put 12. And then you go down to right here to Riverside. Shows all the radios. And you hit avoid on the system you don't want, or you can delete them later. So I'm going to go ahead and save this for a second and delete that, some of the stuff that I don't actually want in there. Say ham radio, no, don't want that. Looking here through some of the cities that might not want in there. You just go through it and delete the stuff you don't want, such as public works. There's a lot of that out here on the systems. Since I don't care much for the school stuff either. Okay, now that we actually have what we want in there, go to favorites list, again, right click, program list. And then you bring up Riverside, or whichever your system would be called, and now it only has the stuff I want. So I go, you put the numbers in here, so it's a quick key. Just hit the number that if you select it, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, once that's done, you can set the settings under options, which is not needed at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Riverside tab. You get the what you got in here. You put 10 seconds or however long, you can copy it. And just go through the list and select them like such. Excuse me. And then you just repeat it through the channels. just selecting all these channels here. So I just paste in the time for all of them for this county. You can right here I'm gonna, because I don't want to listen to those, so I hit void, copy, paste to void the channels. And so I need to recopy the delay time. I think you need it on a list. Then when you come to the important stuff, you can easily have it. And some channels actually don't work anymore in some counties. I don't know about your people, you guys' counties or countries, but some just don't work. So for your specialty channels, the ones that you want to have primaries, such I'm going to the county fire system. So I'm going to select these first ones. You would need to highlight just so you know which ones you're looking at right here. And select the ones you want all the way down to the ones, and you notice right here on this side it actually has a little arrow so you know which ones you're selecting. And so you can set up your tone right there. And you just select those ones with that tone. Color for your alert, I'm going to put that to yellow, fast blink. So when those specific ones go off, I will know what that is. And so now I'm going to do the same up here for the response units. So I'm going to go ahead and select a different tone for those.
Hey Hotshot, what's up, bud?
Paste it in there and change the lights for this one to some random color. Fast. And so you don't have to have all of them as primaries, only the ones you really are interested in, such as the command channels. So go ahead and save that. Now those are set up. You can verify right here. So that's what you need to do. You can even put offsets if you want. I'll do that later. So I'm going to set that at +3 so these primary channels are louder than the others. And now if your radio is plugged in, which is mine's not at the moment, you would click right here, right to scanner, and on your radio itself, once you plug it into the computer, it'll come up when it's plugged in and running. I recommend having the scanner actually running before you plug it in. So when you plug the cord in, it'll ask you if you want to switch to storage mode and hit yes. And then once it's connected, if you click on this area right here, just show the radio and tell it to erase favorites list on the scanner, and it will update it to the new stuff, and there you go. That's all you have to do. It's pretty straightforward and easy. Alright, talk to y'all later.